Hi there, gardening enthusiast. Welcome to our green haven, where we are about to dive into the wonderful world of homemade garden decorations. You know, those little touches that turn your outdoor spaces into a personalized oasis. So, have you ever pondered on how to add a unique charm to your garden without breaking the bank? Well, you are in the right place. Now imagine this stepping into your backyard and being greeted by a garden that reflects your personality. That is exactly what we are going to explore today. Easy, budget friendly, and homemade ideas to spruce your garden up. No need for fancy budget or complicated techniques. Just your creativity, some everyday items, and a dash of authenticism. So, whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, get ready to discover simple way to make your garden a true reflection of you. Let's jump right in. Why homemade decorations? Have you ever thought about why adding a personal touch to your garden is such a cool idea? Well, let's chat about it. Homemade decorations are like a secret sauce of for your outdoor space. But why? First off, it is all about making your garden uniquely yours. No one else will have the exact same decorations because guess what? You made them yourself. It is like adding a sprinkle of you, the nature's conveys. Now, here the real game changer. Homemade decorations will not burn a hole in your pocket. Yep, you heard it right. It is a budget friendly party for your garden. No need to splurge on fancy stuff when you can turn everyday items into fantastic garden ornaments. Materials you will need. Now let's talk about the stuff you will need to bring these garden decoration ideas to life. The good news, you probably already have most of it lying around your home. First off, rate your kitchen for thinking like empty jars, tin cans, and even old utensils. This can be transformed into charming plant holders or unique garden essence with just a bit of creativity. Next up, take a stroll throughout your garage and storage space. Look for old wooden pallets or planks, perfect for crafting personalized garden signs. No need to spend a dim on these materials. Just repurpose what you have got. And if you are feeling extra eco friendly, consider using items that might otherwise end up in the recycling bin. This way, you are just not just making your garden look fantastic, you are giving a second life into your everyday item. So, gather up your usual suspect and let's turn them into the stars of your garden decor show. Dye garden signs. Now let's talk about making your garden uniquely yours with some dye garden signs. It is like giving your plant a voice, you know. Imagine strolling through your garden and coming across signs with quickly messages, inspiring quotes, or even the name of your beloved plant. It adds a personal touch that is simple yet charming. So how we do it? No need for complicated tools or special skills. Grab some old wooden pallets and planks. Think you might have laying around. Get creative with paint, markers, or even leftover house paint. Let your imagination run wild as you craft signs that reflect your personality. Whether it is a witty jest, a motivational quotes, or just the name of your veggies and flowers, these garden designs add a playful element to your green spaces. It is a small effort that goes a long way in making your garden feel like a true extension of yourself. Ready to give your plant a voice? Let's make some personalized garden signs together. Creative flower pot ideas. Now let's talk about spicing up your garden with some creative flower pot magic. Instead of settling for the some old plain pots, let's get a bit artificial way. Think beyond the usual. It is time to transform your plant's home into unique, eye catching pieces. One simple idea is to take those everyday containers lying around your house, maybe an old bucket, a worn out shoe, or even a thin can. Give them a new life by turning them into funky flower pots. Just grab some paint, whether it is a leftover from other project or the kind you use for crafting with the kids. Get creative with colors, patterns, or even simple designs. It's like giving your plant their own little fashion makeover. Plus, it is a fantastic way to involve the whole family. Is a fun and easy dye project. So, are you ready to make your plants stand out in style? Let's roll up our sleeves and make those flowers pot pops. Whimsical garden stones. Alright, let's talk about making your garden path a bit more magical with whimsical garden stones. It is a fun and straightforward way to add a personal touch to your outdoor spaces. First, these are not your ordinary stones. We are talking about turning them into something special that make you smile every time you stroll through your garden. So here the scoop. Making this whimsical garden stone as an easy as 1 to 3 grab some plain old stepping stones or even rock we have picked up. Well, gardening pulse that wrap up our journey through homemade garden decorations. From dye signs to personalized flower pot and even whimsical garden stones. We have explored easy and budget friendly way to add a special touch to your outdoor haven. Remember it all about making your garden uniquely yours. So which idea got you itching to grab some paint